want me to get ratchet. Niggas want me to attack it. Put the hood on, all they calling me Cassius. Aren't you like Bob Saget? Greedy, I can't pass it. Eating everything, nigga, no fasting. I don't care how much you knew me in the past. I ain't no Julia Styles, this ain't no last dance, but we pass it. Wait, fucking on my ex cause he validate me. Fucking up a check, I don't want no receipt. Mind get possessed, let my space speak freely. Hey, my past can't escape me. My pussy precedes me. Why my how the times change? I'm still playing the victim and you still playing the pick me. It's so embarrassing. All of the things I need living inside of me. I can't see it. It's so embarrassing. All of the love I see living inside of me. I can't see. I'm blind. You ain't getting your bitch back. Calm down, shit could be worse, never say that. I don't want pipe down, rather get paid back. Mama told me never see where you lay at. I don't want righteousness, I hurt too much, I lost too much, I lost too much. I hit my clutch and vroom, third day pop out the tomb. I like when you...
Good morning. What is good, you all? I am just tapping in with y'all today. We are just about to get our day started. Today is Sunday, January 12th. Yeah, so this is our first day back after our snowpocalypse-ish, our fun day, our or whatever you want to call it here in the ATL, the Metro Atlanta area. Yeah, so I am just now getting my day started. Normally when you see me and it's dark 30. But of course the company put in a stay, so you can't get your day started until 8 o'clock, which I get it. It kind of sucks, yeah, but you know, it is what it is. I could have called out and said, yeah, I ain't feeling this shit, but you know, it is what it is. So yeah, I got 2 minutes left before I can get on down the road. I'm about to get my stuff started. I had got up. I've been in the truck for almost 30 minutes now. But of course, I didn't feel like doing nothing. I didn't. And now we're going to Douglas, Georgia, which is a Walmart load, and then we're picking up at the Walmart. No, we're picking up at the water plant that's just down the street from there, and then taking it to another Walmart, which is the one that I used to work for. So that's what we're doing. But with it being Sunday, it's okay because of the fact that it's not going to have a whole lot of traffic. The road should be pretty much good. It should be. I was going to go through town, but I don't think I'm going to do that. I'm going to just, you know, yeah. I'm just going to do the right thing because it is the thing. Because I don't know what the roads are looking like through the town. So, because I didn't really leave my house. Like I said, I left on yesterday morning, early morning, because we ran out of fuel for the generator. So I was chancing it, like, let me see what's out there. But, you know, I'm from Colorado, so I get the ice and all that, black ice and stuff like that. But, you know, and then, of course, I drive for a living. Not to say that I'm no master driver or nothing, but you know what it is. Like, slow your ass down. Don't try to go too fast. You know, creep. Even if the street look clear, still creep. Like, there's a little patch right here. Yeah, you just creep. You take your time. So, you know, and if you start to slide, don't step on the brake. Pull your vehicle away from where you want, or pull it the direction you want it to go. Turn your truck or your car the direction you want to go. And don't be on the brake. Don't be on the brake and don't give it no gas. Do none of those things. I wish they would stop parking right here. I get it though, because they had plenty of space for this motherfucker to park over here in the driveway, but he parks right there, like, and they want to kind of park together. Like, y'all see this big ass truck? This truck was here before well, not these people. These people was here before me, but not that car. Like, they building the house over here, honey. They getting it on up there. And it ain't even taking that long. But anywho, the other folks, these newer day folks, they just moved over here. I don't even know if they've been over here a year yet. The YNs. Anywho. Yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed y'all snow day like I was saying. Ooh, I think this road will be cool because I just know this is a heavy travel road. And it is somewhat so far, you know. And this plus it's like 2 days later. These ninjas then came out here and Molly Watson all kind of stuff on our on our streets. Honey, they did they big one out here in Georgia. Oh, on our snow day. I promise you, they really did their thing. It was funny as hell. I had a good hoop. I didn't get out there and participate in the shenanigans, but I definitely had a good hoop. We were too busy trying to have, you know, power because on Friday night, about 6 o'clock, our power went out and it didn't come back until 3 o'clock p.m. Saturday. So I had, you know, my generator or whatever it is. And at first we started with the smaller one because I was figuring like, okay, it'll be back up. It should be back up by morning or something. Or, you know, sometime in the wee hours, which is cool. Honey, when I tell you, oh, they're about to build a house over there too. When I tell you, no ma'am, it did not come back up until 2 o'clock. We was it was going on 24 hours. So we started with the small generator. Just so you know, we can have some heat and stuff. Cause mind you, it's right after it snowed, and granted, it's not as cold, but it's still cold. So we ain't had no heat, no lights, no nothing. So I'm so glad that I had them generators, and then my boo had a smaller generator, and then of course I had the big dog. Well, I didn't want to pull the big dog out. We ain't never even opened the big dog. I've never, you know, even when we had power outages before, it would be out for like an hour or two and then it's back on. So, you know, I was like, they was like, you want me to get the big one? I was like, nah, don't worry about it. Just, you know, chill out. We'll wait. So, once I see, you know, it's getting dark now, it's like, okay, well, let me just go ahead and pull out the small one. And that way, you know, the baby, because, you know, the little kids in the house just have some kids or whatever it is. And I was like, we just had to y'all need to start the phone too, because, you know, in my truck, I'm cool. I could have, if it was just me, I could have went and got in my truck out of here straight. It is what it is.
you going at the red light. I like all that violence, give me dysfunction.
I mean, where the fuck should I really even start? I got hoes that I'm keeping in the dark. I got my niggas cross the street living large. Thinking back to the fact that they dead, thought my raps wasn't facts, so they sat with the bars. I got 2 phones, one need a charge. Yeah, they twins, I could tell they ass apart. I got big packs coming on the way. I got big stacks coming out to save. I got Lil Max with me, he the wave. It's a big gap between us in the game. In the next life, I'm tryna stay paid. When I die, put my money in the When I die, put my money in the grave. I really gotta put a couple niggas in their place. Really just lapped every nigga in a race. I really might tap this nigga on my face. Lil CC, let it slap with the babes. I used to save hoes with a mask in a cave. Now I'm like, nah, love, I'm good, go away. Ain't about to die with no money I done gave it. I was on top when that shit meant a lot. Still on top, like I'm scared of the drop. Still on top, and these niggas wanna swap. Niggas wanna swap like it's sauce in a box. I don't wanna change cause I'm good where I'm at. Mob tie, so I'm always good where I'm at. Word to Junior, Jazzy, Baby J. Tell them when I die, put my money in it.
Couple freakers kill a scar like collect. She fuck a nigga, then she on to the next. Really living large, she ain't all with a Mac. When you niggas think it's small in the mall with a rat. Roll with us if you really wanna get it. Go get a $500,000 in a Sprinter. Phone ringing, bitches know a big triple. I got the hook up and there really no limit. Dead brokers in you nigga DNA. Ricky Smile is indicated with the J. Little nigga just another state case. Bury my motherfucker Chase Bank, time to bounce. Gotta count on my allowance. You niggas vicious, so I gotta rebound it. The nigga drippin' like I got $1 zillion. Got the trap jumping like time when I rebound. Then I'm out, and I never talk about it. Homie squad, but we all smoke the loudest. Rich niggas and I'm really being modest. Cause the way I do my deals never treated like I bought this from the house. You could DM my account. My DM 6 figures and I'm counting. 9 figures was the goal till I hit it. These niggas ain't living, so bury mine with me.
When I die, put my money in the grave. I really gotta put a couple niggas in their place. Really just lapped every nigga in a race. I really might tap this nigga on my face. Let it slap with the bass. I used to save hoes with a mask in a cave. Now I'm like, nah, love, I'm good, go away. Ain't about to die with no money I done gave.
Oh, you ain't top off. Oh, you ain't Flintstones. Oh, you took a little roller off. Oh, you ain't big stones. Oh, you ain't 2 extra M. Oh, you ain't ringtones. Oh, you ain't train on that bitch. Oh, you ain't ding dong. Oh, you ain't kingpin. Oh, you ain't wings in. Oh, you ain't hands on. Oh, you ain't seen it. Oh, you ain't demon. Shoot out the demon. Man. Oh, you ain't king. Yeah, now that was green. Yeah, hey, you ain't flying business first. Hey, you ain't dry around the world. Hey, you ain't brown like a squirrel. Hey, you ain't Chanel pearls. Hey, you ain't Rolls Royce car. Hey, you ain't Rolls Royce truck. Oh, you want wall it all my hole. Oh, you wanna line it all up. Hey, I wanna play it how it is. Hey, I've been playing for some years. Hey, you tryna steal all the spill. Hey, I'm in the field, not a pill. Hey, you wanna spill in the spill. Hey, you know how real niggas is. Rolls Royce still on the field. Yo, yo.
High volume.
Cross them up, all these street beat bosses. Bump them up, turn your click up, dog. Turn them up, turn your bitch up, dog. Turn around, turn these streets can't cross them up, all these street beat bosses. Bump them up, turn your click up, dog. Turn them up, turn your bitch up, dog. Turn around, turn these streets can't cross them up, all these street beat bosses. Bump them up, turn your click up, dog. Turn them up, turn your bitch up, dog. Turn around, turn your click It never been. Turn your click up, dog. Turn them up, turn your bitch up, dog. Turn them up, turn these streets can't cross it. Cross them up, all these streets need bosses. Boss them up, turn your click up, dog. Turn them up, turn your bitch up, dog. Turn them up, turn these streets can't cross it. Cross them up, all these streets need bosses. When my dog get low in his pockets, I'm picking them up. We came from the bottom together, my nigga, we get it, we splitting it up. If my bitch tell me pay for that pussy, I'll take her ass shopping and tell her shut up. Standing on business, standing on bitches ain't nothing to pipe that shit up. It ain't nothing to turn a bitch up. It ain't nothing to turn your click up. Ain't nothing, shit. We turn the jeweler up, just look at the diamonds we bust. Look at the people we touch. Shit, I'm feeling like Puffy and Russ. I'm sitting this shit like a toilet, little nigga so nasty, I've never been flushed. Bulletproof ravers and came with a kid on it. The subject too light, it kick it, you spin on it. Hundreds of bands, I put a little shit on it. Dope in my hand, I had to go flip on him. He want the scoop, she want the tea. She want the tea. I cannot speak, we keeping it street. We keeping it street. I took a loss, but you still gon' get beat. You still gon' get beat. How much it costs? It never been cheap. It never been. Turn your click up, dog. Turn them up, turn your bitch up, dog. Turn them up, turn these streets can't cross it. Cross them up, all these streets need bosses. Boss them up, turn your click up, dog. Turn them up, turn your bitch up, dog. Turn them up, turn these streets can't cross it. Cross them up, all these streets need bosses. Boss them up.
Ricky Sneaky. All these bitches trying to get hit. Make a hoe wet. Looking at diamonds on my neck and on my wrist. Niggas ain't bullshit. Walk through the club with an infinite in this bitch. Treat her like Ray J. How? She wanna talk to the kid. Make one wish. I'ma get.
Got a drop on this flexin' nigga. He from Tennessee, I had a thought. She be with this shit, she told me where he be. I say for sure, baby, let me know if you wanna eat. She like, Vaughn, you already know, just put your girl on fleek. I'm like, cool, I can do that, boo. What you want, some shoes? Jimmy Choo, with a handbag too. Red up, baby, boo, she get the smile. She ain't used to this, she ain't used to shit. I'm just laughing, could've been the way I move my lips. I be speeding, could've been the driver, the way I push the whip. You a hoe, could've been a bitch, the way you throw a bitch. But fuck that, right back to the script, cause this a major league. He got bricks, plus his neck and icy, and it matches wrist. Now it's like 6, told her hit his phone, meet her in the whip, but he ain't go. But he ain't that slow, say meet him at the store. I'm like, cool, let him run his move, do